you going to say hi?
Sure. Hi.
Okay, we have had a very busy weekend. We helped my oldest son move yesterday into his very first apartment with his fiance. Nick helped a lot with that. He was third floor, so moving stuff up and down third floor. So he actually did help a lot with that. And then today we got to go out to see the place of their wedding venue, which is about an hour drive for us. And then it was an open house. I got just a couple of pictures and a little bit of video inside, but like I said, there was like 30 vendors, so it was really busy and loud. So if it turns out okay, then I'll include it. So on the way back, since it is so late in the day, I stopped at Olive Garden. I don't know if you can see it behind me. No? Okay. Anyway, they have a buy one, get one right now. So it's just Nick and I tonight for dinner. And I got the buy one, get one on the chicken Alfredo. Oh, at the venue, look how cute these are. These little bags to make your own s'mores. And it says, sending you s'more love. So one of the vendors was, showing you the cute little treats and things that you can make, for your little giveaways for your wedding. Yeah, so I thought that was super cute. But we got the buy one, get one. So instead of ordering 2 meals, we just ordered 1 meal, paid for 1 meal. So we got a soup and 2 Alfredos and then breadsticks. So we're going to do that and going to go home and eat dinner.
About everything right now.
He's been really fussy. So,
No, worse weekend.
so anyway, because he was busy all weekend. So we're going to do that. But while we were waiting on the food, we actually went into At Home, which used to be Garden Ridge. That's really loud.
I always end up bad.
And we went in there, and there's so much Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh. So we've got some pictures and a little bit of video footage. You just can't not feel like Christmas whenever you go in here and see all this stuff. So I'm going to put that here right now. You guys have an absolutely great day. You want to tell my friends bye?
Sure, bye.
Okay, and we will see you in the next video. Bye! loves nutcrackers.
We're buying this. We're buying this. Okay. We're buying this.
I know, I got him.
Not elf. Oh, wait, we were supposed to get the nutcrackers.
I did.
Huh?
I did. Let's see if this is.
More excuses for me to have this on.
Put it back.
Hey, this is the softest thing ever. You get in here. Hi, guys.
Okay, come on.
Okay, put it up.
So cute.
Oh, yeah.
Wait. I want Hang on. Put it this way. That is inappropriate. Okay, turn him off.
Y'all having a good time out there?
That's inappropriate. That's so. I like Snoopy.
Okay, 10 now. Then you know what time it is.
Frosty the snowman was a child
About to fall off.
with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty.
This is what he does. I'm leaving you.
About I can all the way down here.